हाय फ्रेंड्स, आजकल बॉलीवुड में इट्स द नॉर्म फॉर प्रोडक्शन हाउसेस टू गो कॉर्पोरेट। लेकिन मेरे साथ जो हीरोइन आज बैठी है, शी स्टार्टेड आउट एज अ सेक्स सिंबल, बट ऑफ लेट शी हैज ऑल्सो गॉन कॉर्पोरेट। आइए पूछते हैं बिपाशा बासु से हर रीजंस फॉर गोइंग कॉर्पोरेट। बिपाशा, वेलकम टू द शो।
थैंक यू कमल।
जैसा मैंने कहा, व्हाट मेड यू गो कॉर्पोरेट?
वेल आई थिंक जो स्क्रिप्ट थी मधुर ने जब नरेट की मुझे, हमेशा लोग कहते हैं कि अलग स्क्रिप्ट है, डिफरेंट स्क्रिप्ट है, पर डेफिनेटली व्हेन आई हर्ड द स्टोरी इट वाज अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी. It was a story about a different section of the society and the functioning of the corporate sector, which is very interesting on its own. So there were many reasons, you know. He's a good director, we had a great production house, we had a good story, a great character, a good blend of artists, working with a lot of theatre actors. So definitely I couldn't say no to a film like that.
क्या ये कहना सच होगा कि पहली बार आपको ऐसी फिल्म और ऐसा रोल मिला है? आई डोंट मीन टू से दिस काइंड ऑफ रोल, इतना मीठी रोल, द फिल्म रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड यू।
देखिए, मीट बहुत बार मिल चुका है पहले भी, बट इट इज इन अ डिफरेंट वे. लाइक जनरली द काइंड ऑफ पर्सनालिटी दैट आई हैव, एक इमेज बन जाती है मीडिया में, नो मैटर व्हाट रोल्स यू प्ले.
इनफैक्ट मेरा अगला क्वेश्चन वही है।
हाँ, तो एक इमेज जो बनी हुई है, उससे बहुत हटके रोल ये जो ऑफर हुआ था मुझे.
लम्हों को मिला दे, जिंदगी फिर बना दे, लम्हा 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 जिंदगी है.
जिस पिक्चर में भी आपने सेक्स सिंबल का रोल प्ले किया है, उसमें यू वर नेवर ओनली अ सेक्स सिंबल. चाहे वो अजनबी रही हो, जिस्म रही हो, यू हैड वेरी वेरी मीठी रोल्स जहां पर आपने अपनी एक्टिंग टैलेंट को भी प्रूव किया. तो फिर डू यू फील बैड विद दिस टैग, एंड आखिर ये टैग क्यों आया?
देखिए, आई टेल यू, एलिजाबेथ टेलर इज अ सेक्स सिंबल, सोफिया लोरेन इज अ सेक्स सिंबल. So if you look at it in a positive light, it's a great thing. Why do we have to always take out, see the negative side of things?
आप क्या कोशिश क्या करती है? How do you manage to look sexy all the time on the screen?
I don't know. I don't think sexy is about the way you look. मेरे हिसाब से it's the personality, it's the way you talk, it's the way you carry yourself. It doesn't have to be the clothes that you wear.
अगर मैं पूछूं कि इस इंडस्ट्री में आप किसकी सबसे ज्यादा शुक्रगुजार हैं, तो एक या दो नाम?
I definitely will say Abbas Mustan first, and secondly it would be, I think, Bhatt Saab and Mukesh Bhatt, because they gave me Raz, and definitely the kind of audience I have today, the kind of people who appreciate the work I do, like the fans. I don't think I would be sitting here talking to you without them.
What is Bipasha in real life?
I'm like any other person. I have a very boring life. I go to work in the morning and I come back to work late, and I spend some time with my family, friends, the people I love, and my dog. And I go to gym. That's about it.
थोड़े टाइम पहले आप बोल रही थी ओमकारा में you are playing a village girl, and corporate में this high society girl, and both the films were being shot simultaneously. तो क्या कभी दिक्कत होती थी to get into one character? And
No.
because they are very diametrically opposite.
Yeah, totally opposite. Directors were very clear. I was very clear what I was doing where. Because Vishal Bharadwaj has a different dialect only. The way we speak in the film is completely different. Like, first time I heard him, I'm like, come again? What are you saying?
कुछ दो डायलॉग बोल के.
No, I can't right now. You have to see the film for it, because it was very, very different. And it's my first Sing Sound film, so that also was very exciting.
आप अब्बास मस्तान के साथ एक बार और काम कर रही हैं. संजय दत्त and अजय देवगन are your co-stars, and you are playing a double role.
How do you know that?
I ought to know that much.
Well, I don't know if I'm supposed to talk about my role so soon.
अच्छा, ठीक है, हम वहीं पर रहने देंगे. मेरे ख्याल से ये हेयर कट भी आपने उसी फिल्म के लिए की है.
जी.
बट लोगों का इनसाइड रिपोर्ट सजेस्ट, मुझे नहीं पता, मैं आपसे जानना चाहूंगा कि ये आपकी फर्स्ट डबल रोल फिल्म नहीं होगी. इससे पहले आपकी यश चोपड़ा वाली जो फिल्म है धूम 2, उसमें भी आप Dhoom 2, the 2 stands for 2 roles.
No comments on Dhoom 2 right now.
Okay, I think we got our answer.
It's like nowadays the films are like very, you can't talk much about it till we are ready to release.
At least if it's a Yash Chopra film, they are very particular that.
Very, very secretive. So we'll talk about it inside.
ठीक है, we'll leave it at that. बिपाशा, आजकल मीडिया में बहुत उल्टी सुल्टी खबरें छप रही है, एंड योर फैंस आर वेरी कंसर्न्ड, आई थिंक. तो ये सबसे पहले तो मैं ये पूछूंगा कि ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है?
देखिए
What
ये तो
is-
मेरे हाथ में नहीं है, हमेशा से ही होता रहता है, ये सालों का सिलसिला है. Whenever media wants to write whatever, they always write, and they have been like many a times, you know, rumors are a part and parcel of our life, and definitely the dignity of a relationship, I think it's something that media should respect, because this is why all the other actors clam up and they don't talk about it. So I just
But you have always been quite open about.
yeah, but I won't be anymore, because this
Aisa.
is a great learning lesson.
ये आपको
Absolutely, because it's like no matter what you say, people are going to talk. So why give them your, you know, peek into your personal life? It's ridiculous.
बट सुबह उठ के पेपर पढ़ने में
Wo skip next. You have to start skipping that. The additional entertainment section should be skipped. Yeah, for people like us. Yes.
बट आप कभी नाराज होके फोन उठा के
होता है. I don't think it's at the end of the day, as I said,
You're a human being.
I'm a human being, and I would take it for like a long time, and then definitely there will be a little bit of resentment, and once the resentment is out, it's your life again. Then you're like, cool, okay, you've said what you wanted to say, and you're relaxed.
तो आप अकेली हंसती है कि जॉन और आप साथ में हंसते हैं?
Definitely, when you're in a relationship, it's always two together, and yes, it is a time where there are too many rumors, so we definitely have to like think like what the hell is going to, you know, what is happening.
I don't believe it, but काफी लोग ये सोचते हैं. So let them hear it from you. There are a lot of people in the general public who feel corporate release हो रही है, इसलिए ये stories plant होती है.
I think so too. I am also in the
One of them who believes.
Yes, I feel it, because it cannot be that like last 1.5 weeks has been like so terrible.
Too much of a coincidence.
Yeah, I just feel that जो real reason है जिसके लिए मैं मीडिया के सामने आई हूँ is totally being forgotten. I just feel when they are saying that we are together,
Correct.
what is the problem with the rest of the world? Why are there stories? And it's not stopping. So definitely there's some foul play.
आज से कम इस शो के बाद ये गंदी स्टोरीज आपके और जॉन के बारे में
That's not going to stop.
No, you never know.
नहीं होने वाली.
हो सकता
That I
है
can
possible.
guarantee you. That's been an ongoing process for years. Yeah. It's
Well,
not,
we
it's
can
a-
hope for the best.
Let's hope.
And
On a
this is
good
to
note,
you and
yeah.
John. And thank you so much for being on the show.
Thank you.
Friends, that was Bipasha Basu. और जैसा इन्होंने कहा, no more personal talk. That's all from us.